Welcome po sa ES Ventures. Naghahanap ka ba ng video kung paano magtanggal at mag-install ng brake pads? Ang sample sa video na ito ay brake pads na may pin lock at spring. Marami pa kasing ibang klase ng brake pads. Mayroong screw lock at meron ding magnetic type. Kapag natanggal na yung gulong, pwede nang ituwid yung pin para matanggal yung lock. Hilahin yung pin hanggang sa matanggal ito. Kapag natanggal na yung pin, pwede nang mahila yung brake pads. Ganun lang kasimple magtanggal ng brake pads.
Well, I'll admit, that's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it.
Ito naman yung video kung paano ibalik yung brake pads. Kailangan mo lang i-align yung spring at saka yung pads.
If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall.
Tapos, pwede na muna itong i-install. At ibalik ang pin lock.
Apathetic, bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Huwag kalimutang i-bend yung pin para mag-lock ito. Ganun lang din yung paraan sa pagtanggal ng rear brake pads. Tanggalin yung gulong, tanggalin yung pin, tanggalin yung pads, at yun na.
In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit.
Ayun, ganun lang kasimple magtanggal at mag-install ng brake pads.
Cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots.
Right side po, sir and ma'am, sa inyong mga biyahe. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more useful videos. See you again next time. Once again, my name is DJ. Thank you and goodbye.